Okay, in Namaskar, we have discussed about the query optimization, and we are trying to work with the SnowSQL. This is like the Snowflake UI. When I say SnowSQL, it is a command line interface. So Snowflake can be accessed through the UI and also through the command line interface. So in order to access the Snowflake through command line interface, we need to install SnowSQL. I have already downloaded this. So you can download the SnowSQL based on your operating system. So I have already downloaded. Now I'll go to the command prompt. Let us try with SnowSQL. So the SnowSQL is already installed, but I haven't configured to query it. So now we have to configure that Snowflake account. So whatever the credentials we are using on the UI, the same credentials we have to use it in the command line interface and work here. So for that, the command is SnowSQL -a. Here we have to provide the account name. Account name, we can find it in our Snowflake. Click come here and profile. This is my current account. I'll copy this or paste it in a notepad. So this is my account name. If you copy, one is like our account name, and other is like locator name. So we have to keep it we have to keep it separated by dot. This will be our account name. So this is my account name followed by login name. I mean the username. My username is this. So it is asking for password. We have to provide the password used for Snowflake account. I'm unable to connect here because of some issue. She couldn't connect to Snowflake backend after 2 attempts. Let us try for an alternative. Alternatively, we can do this. We have to go to this folder. Why is it not here? Gosh, God. One second, let me again install this NoSQL. Here it is providing all the details. What is the account name assigned to your Snowflake account or AWS deployment? Append the region and background to the end. We haven't selected this region, so I have given the account name followed by the location name. Let me try again. NoSQL. Inside that there will be config file. See here it is providing how you have to connect with Snowflake. So maybe in the configurations file you can add it, or directly through the account name and login name you can add it. But for some reason we are not able to add it. Let me try again. Command prompt. Hmm. NoSQL. Copy the account name. Login name. Password is correct. From Microsoft App Store, you mean to say, Samyukta?
Not from Microsoft. There is a number two, right? There is a app symbol, application symbol in the left panel. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
there. Yeah, there you need to get the
Okay.
extension. That's Snowflake. Snowflake. Just use Snowflake. Yeah, connectors. Mhm. That is for drivers. So you can install first one.
Last time, while I was working with the other batch, I was able to connect it with the command prompt itself.
Yeah, even I tried, but I was not able. I could connect only to
Okay.
Visual Studio.
Meanwhile, let me try with the small letters once. That is not a problem, but still. Hmm. It is installed now. Here also it is giving the same error.
Here you'll have once you just click on that Snowflake, right? There you'll be able to see the account on top. Just close this. There is an extension on your left, right, after apps. Below that extension. Click on that extension, yeah. There in this, yeah, you just need to give your details. Account. Add account.
So let me check my password. Okay, password is in. Visual Studio. Here also it is not working.
Let me just, so that This is where I got, usually I log in from,
B06.
you log
One
in from
second.
this one.
Sorry, login from?
Yeah, no, I usually log in from this panel, from Visual Studio.
Account name, locator name. Let me try with this. Oh my God. Okay. We'll be able to connect with this itself, but wait once I'll open this snowflake dot snowsql. It is also not exist. Last time I'll try with small letters. If that doesn't work, we'll go to another topic. I'll configure this and get back to you. Notepad. Account name. Username is okay. I'll figure this out by tomorrow why it is not connecting. But the syntax it is correct. We have to provide install SnowSQL, provide the account name followed by the locator name and your username here. So that will connect. Other option is to add these configurations in the config file. I'll show you tomorrow. I will fix this. Today we'll discuss the external users. Sorry, external tables. So generally, we till now we have created tables in Snowflake within a schema and a database. I mean, within a database and the schema from some S3 bucket or through files in the internal stage. So external files also means the same, but it is like if let us say the file is in S3 bucket and we have copied the data to Snowflake, we'll see the tables we have already. These are all tables are loaded through copy command from S3 bucket to the Snowflake. Now, I want to directly query the uh, data without actually loading into Snowflake from S3. So, uh, for that, we use the external tables. These external tables behaves like as the data is in Snowflake. Let us create that. Create or replace. First, I'll set the context here with the same database and schema. Create or replace table. we have to specify here specifically as external table. I will name this as external table. This is the table name with location. So from where we need to create this external table. External means which is not in Snowflake. It is some outside the Snowflake account. So I want to get the data from S3 bucket. So for that I will get the stage name. So stages. So from this location I want to get it. Always we will specify the stages preceded by at the rate with location S3. This is the external stage location. Uh, we know that while loading the files into Snowflake, we have all kept CSV files only. So those files only I want to read now with file format. File format equal to, we have already created a predefined file format previously while working with copy command, which is load CSV. If you don't remember the name, you can see it shows file formats. So this is load CSV. It is not case sensitive. And here I will create one more option, auto refresh equal to true, which means that if there is any update on the S3 side, if there is any update to the table, I mean file, that will be automatically reflected here. No, now I'll run this. Now this table is created. So whatever is there in this location, let me open that AWS account. Mhm. This is not good one. One second, I'll get this account. I'm not able to log into that S3 bucket, but anyhow, I will show what is there in this bucket list at the rate. If you want to see what is available in this stage, we can do it like this. So in this external stage, we have these many files which are all loaded on these dates. Open this folder. Hmm. We have all these files with location. We did not specify any file here. Just we have specified this. Let us see what is available in this table of select star from this table. So see, this complete file is loaded as a single JSON column. This is a one row in that file. So each row is loaded as a single column. If you want to get values out of this, mm, C1, sorry, value dot C1 dot string. Which file is loaded? C1. Just do the count of star so that we'll know. 86928. So it means it has loaded all the files which is available in this particular location as a single JSON file. Let us see if there is any other format other than C1. It is all C1. I'll specify some paths here. Let me see till what place we have this in here. Till external files we have it at the rate. I will create this again. Now let us do count of start from this table. Zero. Okay. To retrieve the values from here, this column name, column C C1 is this key value and followed by that data type. I will take this as string. So in that C1, we have these values, which is a ID column. Again, let us see some other columns. Select star from this external table. C1, it is year. These are not the actual column names. These are the column names. It is derived. C1, C2, C3. Actual column names are different. Uh, I will write some C10 here. So in the 10th column, we have this. It has skipped header and has given C1, C2, C3 because we have used the load CSV. In this load CSV, we have defined skip header equal to 1. That's why it has removed all the headers and keep those names as C1, C2, C3. So in the first column, we have all. Let me try it as integer. See, this is not supported because this is a string column. That's why integer is not supported. So these are the values in C1 column. So similarly, if you want to retrieve values from any other columns, the actual column name followed by the key and the followed by the data type. We have to retrieve it like this. So we can create with any file in this external location. You can try later. It is possible to try with any location. You can give the other file name as well here. Without actually loading the file, we can actually access the data. If there is any update to this file in the S3 bucket, that we can access it here. But when we do a copy activity, once the data is loaded, and if there is any update to the file in the S3 bucket, that will not be able to reflect in the table. But here it will be able to reflect. That is the difference between copy command and this external table. Next, we have data sharing. For the data sharing, we need some other account, but let us try that. Data sharing is like now I have some tables in my account. These are the tables in my account, but there is an user who is not part of my organization, but they want the tables to be accessed. They want these tables to access. Or else without actually providing access through the roles, we can do a data share. Uh, Let us try that. First, they have to provide. See, we are the providers. There will be some account who will be the consumers. So we need their account IDs. For time being, I have created another users in the at the beginning of our Snowflake classes as a developer user. That one we can use it for now. Let us see how to create that. For creating a shares, we have to use admin account. Now go back to worksheets. From here also we can do that. Create. Is there a share here? Okay, share is not here. I can do with SQL. First, we have to any account share that will be done through the admin role. Admin will do that. Now I will create a share object. Create share our share name. I want to share this financial data. Financial data share. You can name it anything. create share. No, I'll execute this. Just the share object is created. We need to add some tables or views or something into this share. We have to provide, this is like just a role. It acts like a role. Now I will provide usage on this database. Test DB sysadmin and test schema. I'll provide access to this share. Grant usage on database. My database name is testdb system admin to whom we have to provide this to this share account. Similarly, we have to provide share usage on schema. Test schema. Next, we have to provide access to the table as well. I decided to provide access only to this financial table. Grant. I want to provide only the select access. I don't want write access to provide. Select on table to share to the same share I want to provide. Mm. Okay, here I have to provide the table name financial. Okay. The share object is created. Now I have to add users to whom I want to share this data with. So let's share my share name, add account. So let me log in as a dev user. First, let me see who are all the available users in my account. Show users. So I want to provide access to this user. I will log in with another browser. User is this. I think I have provided the same password. Dev DBA user. Okay, logged into this Snowflake account. Let us see his profile, this person's profile. It is giving the same. Samyukta, can you provide your account ID?
Yeah, just a minute. Actually, last 2 days back, I think my account got expired. I need to.
Okay.
Mhm. The free trial got expired. Let's just check I mean, if I'll be able to see this data to my system. My account name. You just need the name alone.
Not the name, this ID.
Okay, yeah. It's a BI one nine two three
1
six.
second, and let me go to that page. Add account. Yeah, tell me.
BI B for Bangalore I for India, 19236.
19336.
236. 2236.
Are these small letters or capital letters?
No, it's capital BI. Yeah,
BI 19236.
236. Yeah.
Following account cannot be added to this share. Why?
I think I've received a new account. It's got that.
Can you provide that locator name as well? So just like you click here, go to profile, then copy from here.
Yeah, yeah.
This
I'm
copy
logging in.
button.
Yeah, I'm logging in. Just give me a second.
But this is how we can create it. First, create a share object. Create a share object. Grant the required database schema or tables. Grant access to these tables. Whether you want to read or write, you can grant those access. And then after granting all the access, we just need to add the user here. So that user will be able to see the data. For today, we can stop the class here. Stopping the recording.